Hey guys, Game Secrets here. I'm back with another episode. So this, I know what this is. This is the Razer mechanical keyboard. So I'll go ahead and slice this open on the bottom here. Usually we'll do it like this. Hold on. I'm just gonna need to somehow open this. There we go. All right. Oh baby, yes. Oh yeah, baby. There it is, guys. So here, let's go ahead and put the box over there. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this here. Flip it over. Bring it out of the box. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Oh yeah, baby. That is the keyboard. That sounds completely awesome. Alright guys, wow, that sounds amazing. So this is the one I was actually really excited about because I finally can replace my Alienware. And I am planning to sell my Alienware, which is right over there. You can change the colors and stuff. This one only lights up green, but that's what we all like. Alright, so the disc here. This is the important read stuff. Then I think that comes with a few, oh yeah. There are 2 Razer stickers you can put anywhere really you want. It doesn't come with the program, it just comes with all the stuff and confirms and like thank you for purchasing and stuff like that. Hey, that's all, we're happy. But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and close this. This actually looks really cool. I'm a big fan of Razer. So I might be planning to purchase the. That's a nice, really logo right there, though. I might be planning to purchase the. How do you call it? The main mouses. We'll unplug this here, and we'll weave it in. So Alienware. Goodbye, Alienware. Well, not really a goodbye. I mean, I might switch them from days and days on. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and move this one right over here. Oh, that's a really dusty place. Alright, so the actually, put it like right there. So it actually extends pretty far. So there we go. It's actually kneaded, so that's really nice. It actually goes pretty far. I'd say actually goes really far. Here it is. Let's go ahead and plug it in here. Alright, so 2 cords. One. I think that first put number 1 in here. Alright, apparently they're all up. And then these are the audio puts, which just help you for the audio. So there it is, already lit up green. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in these. I hope that one goes in there, and I hope that one goes in there. Alright guys, so there it is completed, guys. Here, I'll take this off. There it is, guys. It's still installing it, but you can make it brighter, or you can make it dimmer. So it's still, everything is installing right here. So here it is, it's installing. It says ready to use the main USB component device. But now it says Razer. This is the ultimate version. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day, everyone.